So this is a new Lagoon 43. Here's the spec. It's a new boat, new model. I'm gonna go take a look.
There you are.
That's good. A lot of people inside already. Wow, look at that entrance door or side. There's a lot of volume on the hull. And this is dingy David metal frame. It looks pretty unique. That's the entrance door on the first side. Very nice. And then a lot of space. This deck has a lot of space for 43 footer. Look at the cushions. Oh my god, a lot of traffic. So many people. Okay, Lagoon. Oh, look at the fly bridge. There's a fly bridge. Has a nice fly bridge lounge on the top for 43 footer fly bridge. Yeah, I saw that the bow was a little bulky, and you can see in the front is a really bulky, and a lot of volume. We're gonna go take a look at the front. It has a lot of volume on the front. So that's why probably it's gonna have a lot of space as well, interior side. So forward deck, all the hatches are flush the deck. They flush the hatch. Okay. And then has a lot of cushion, sitting area, trampoline. And that the windows open probably. Looks like the windows is gonna be open. Let's go at the other side. Ankle locker. Can I take a look? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's a water tank. They put the water tank and then ankle locker. That's a water tank. Okay. So the deck, side deck has a lot of space, very wide. A couple of people can walk through the side deck side. No problem. Okay, helm station. On the port side is a helm set station right there. And then you can go up the fly bridge up there through the helm station. Helm station. Okay, when you stand, it's kind of hard to see over there, so you have to step up. Yeah, basically when you sail, you just look forward the long distance. So when you dock, you need to step up to look forward. And the lay mounting system, very nice. All the Harken, leggings. I really like the fly bridge lounge area. A lot of lounge space. Solar panel on the back. Okay, pretty unique. Okay, let's go back. Okay. Oh, the side door, the gate The port side as well. You can just open up this gate. Cockpit. There's a lot of space in the cockpit. Excuse me. Yeah.
He's on his way, but I work with him. He's my boss. How you doing? I'm Jose. Nice to meet you.
Hi, how are you, Jose?
Kelly.
Really? He's flying here. He's staying for the storm.
Yeah.
He's getting to tonight at 6.
Kitchen on the salon. Let's go down the starboard side hall. Starboard side hall. Yeah, I knew it. It's a lot of space.
He's arriving tonight.
A lot of space on the front, the forward cabin. Because the horse are really like a bulky, really. A lot of space. The whole beam of the hull, the width of the hull is really wide.
So the
Yeah, for 43. Can I go through? Yeah, sure. Well, thank you. I see the bathroom, sink. Then you have a shower on the back. Pretty good. Oh, shower is very nice. You can have a seat, and you close, and then you can take shower. Very roomy, the shower. Very nice shower handle. Very roomy. What's in it here? Oh, a holding tank? Some tank on the back. Okay. This feels like a 45 footer almost. Very wide, the hole itself. Let's go on the other side of the hall.
Oh, to stay over there?
Yeah.
Well, you should talk to your local dealer.
We're gonna go port side hall.
That's also?
So forward of the port side hall is similar size as the other. You can see very roomy. The bedroom. This is almost queen size. And then you have a bathroom for this cabin. Bathroom, okay. Bathroom for this cabin, for forward cabin. Individual. Oh, squeaky. And the aft section. Nice queen size bed, and then you have bunk bed. Look at the bunk bed. So you can have sleepy. 3 people sleep here. A lot of window. Look at the windows there. Whole side window. A lot of windows. And then this cabin has bathroom as well. The head, nice head, right there. Okay. Oh, why so squeaky? The hinges. 3 bedroom. 3 bedroom. Starboard side. Starboard side is the owner's cabin. So this main salon is the kitchen. Look at this. Look at the stove. 4 stove. It's propane stove, looks like. And you have an oven down there, and sink, and TV. It is a helm station, all the navigation instrument. And then look at this. This is a lot of round shape.
Right here, doors open.
You can have like 1, 2, 3, 8 people can sit in here. Literally. They have a dining. This is a massive space. The salon door, sliding door over there. You can close the door. It has a sliding door. So when it open, it looks like entire one area. It doesn't separate from the salon to cockpit. Genius idea. Good idea. Well done. Well done. And the canvas is coming down here. You see the canvas here? Canvas coming down here, and then you drop down. Very good. I like it. Well made. This is a new boat, but I'm kind of worried about the performance, sailing performance of the boat. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go take a look at on the front, how it looks. So that's the Lagoon 42, no, actually 41, the new model. It says new. Look at the her shape. Oh my God, that's really bulky. This is new and very wide, and above the chine. Yeah. And then this is a conventional Lagoon 42. A little sharper. And then there's a 41. Has a chine. Interesting design. Has a chine. And then above the chine is very bulky, very wide. It's almost like a box. And then on the bottom it has a more like displacement, hull shape. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about the performance of this boat. Yeah. Okay, it's a Lagoon 41. Has a lot of space though.